All right, so I have got many comments from you asking that if you have only one network interface card in the Proxmox virtual environment and you want to use the next generation firewall where LAN and WAN traffic needs to be passed through one single interface. So one network interface running LAN and WAN on the same network interface on your Proxmox environment, definitely it is possible for the small network. For this example, I'm using here Arista Next-Generation Firewall. And of course, this should have two network interface cards. So if I take you here to network, and these are two network interface cards having different IP addresses. Physically, these both are connected to the same network interface card. Let me show you. If I go to Proxmox virtual environment, Arista Next-Generation Firewall tutorial, and if I take you to the hardware here, you can see here that these are two virtual network interface cards. So these are Net 0 and Net 1. And the same you can see here in Arista, LAN and WAN. These are two different network cards. But how these are configured, you can see here, these are connected to the same VMBR. This one is also connected to VMBR 0. If I click this is connected to VMBR 0. And this is also connected to VMBR 0. On VMBR 0, if I go back here to Proxmox virtual environment, PSB1, of course, its IP address is here, VMBR 0. So VMBR 0 is on network 10.11.12.101. And here for the WAN interface, I have given the IP address the same, 10.11.12.130 is the static address for this. And there is a gateway on the same network. Of course, you cannot have two DHCP servers on the same network. If I go to the Arista Next-Generation Firewall, it could be anything. It can be pfSense, OPNsense, or any other firewall that you want to configure. It needs, of course, two network interface cards. So what is happening here, that on this network, which is 10.11.12.1.130, which is the gateway for entire network. So I have kept that gateway as a gateway, but I have disabled the DHCP on this particular network. So what you can do, if you have one single network interface card, you can still connect two networks to that. One network will have the DHCP disabled, but here what I have done, that DHCP server is not providing the IP address to this because I have manually assigned the IP address. You can see here, this interface has got the IP address manually. And this particular gateway, which is on the same network, here I have disabled the DHCP server. You can see here that this is the LAN now, and this is giving the IP addresses. And here you can see is DHCP configuration. It is working as a server. It is enabled. And if I show you that 172.16.1.143 and router is 172.16.1.1. So 16.1.1 is the router Arista, which is connected on the Proxmox virtual environment. In Proxmox virtual environment, this is the firewall which is configured. And here, if I talk about the hardware, it has two network interface virtually connected, but these are on the same physical interface. You can see here VMBR 0. This is also connected to VMBR 0. And if I take you back here to PSB1 network, you can see here VMBR 0 is connected to one physical network interface card. Of course, on physical hardware, if you install the next generation firewall, then it will need, of course, LAN and WAN, two physical network interface cards. Of course, your question might be, or those who are already using it, they will have the concern of performance, because now you have two collision domains on the same network or on the same switch. Of course, that is going to have the performance related issues, but this is for the sake of this tutorial. Of course, those who want to have the multiple network interface cards, or those who are having the PC with the single network interface cards for the experimental purpose, of course, for that purpose, this is going to work fine. So this was all about creating the LAN and WAN interface virtually on the same physical network interface cards. And here Arista is used where two network interface cards are there. Of course, if you are using a virtual appliance on Proxmox virtual environment for pfSense, for Arista, for OPNsense, or for any other next generation firewall appliance, it is going to work in the same way. So hope you like this video. Let us continue to next video.